You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other.
You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you.
It must be so easy being you.
And even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
I'm sorry, alright? What else do you want from me?
Fuck you! You're a piece of shit, Bigby! Beauty was right about you! You're just a sick—
Beauty? You're full of shit. I go out there and I do my job. I put my life on the line. Shot at. I do what has to be done for them. At the end of the day, I'm still the bad guy.
What have you done? Oh, God. Bigby.
Shit, he killed him.
I made myself very clear. This is not okay.
Snow's right. This is disgusting.
Oh, it's much worse than that. It's like as long as the wolf thinks you're guilty, he has free rein to murder you in your sleep.
No, that's not
Is this
how—
what we can expect from now on?
Yeah, you make one mistake and Bigby's gonna rip your head off?
Don't be ridiculous, Beast. I'm not about to—
You think I'm being ridiculous? We all know what you're capable of. You nearly gouged my eyes out. You're cheating on me! With him?
No, Beast. I promise I'm not.
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me!
Beast, no! I understand.
I mean, this I get. But I didn't do shit wrong. And I got my fucking arm ripped off.
That was different, Gren.
I'm sure from your vantage point, it's extraordinarily easy to judge me.
Bigby.
But you sit behind a desk all day. And only tonight did you see what it's like to be pushed into a corner all the time just for doing your job.
You think I don't know what it's like to have my life in danger? To not be pushed to do things?
Wait! Stop!
Just take him, okay? Take Crane. Just stop, please.
You know what? Fuck this. We've been through hell trying to keep you all safe. Trying to make you all fucking happy. But all you do is complain. So fuck this!
Where are you going? Bigby?